Hey guys, 828 Find Adventure. I've got a new mod. It's a real simple one. Basically, I've got a new shifter knob and I'm going to show you how to replace it. Now, I have taken this off before, swapped them around, tried different ones. Mine did not come with a leather one, so I bought a little top for it. It's called an Alcantara piece for it. I'll show you that. It's just kind of it's a fake leather or fake suede that snaps over the top. It's kind of difficult to get on there, but I did get it on there. And I've liked that because it's a nice kind of suede feel. It'd be great if I could get a steering wheel, like that, but that's too much. So anyways, so on eBay, and I'll put a link under the video in the description, I found this shifter knob. Now it's not a TRD Pro, but it does look like that. It comes in this box, and so obviously they go to the trouble of doing some package design. And let me show you this. This is what we got right here, and you can see it, and it's wrapped in leather. It's really nice, and these are they fit the Tundra, the 4Runner, the Tacoma. Now this one is a silver color, kind of a matte silver, whereas mine is black. I do like the black better, but this does match the other accents in the interior. So let me show you this. So here's our shifter knob. Now check this out. See, you can see it's stitched leather. It's really nice. It's kind of a matte, smooth leather on the sides with kind of a textured red in the middle. And I put one of these on our Tacoma, and it feels really good. When you're, I don't know, resting your hand there or whatever, you don't really shift these. So, but anyways, this right here goes on really easy. And I'm gonna show you, and what you'll do is, I'm gonna kind of walk you through it right here. You will pull the boot and pull down on it, and it'll unsnap. And that's the shifter boot. Underneath here, if you can see, there is this little metal piece. Yeah, right here. You see that? And you just pull it back like that. You see my finger kind of moves that. When you do that, it moves. When you do that, it moves the metal bar in that's on the inside. It's kind of like paper clip diameter, a little steel wire. Anyways, it moves it enough to where the shifter knob will snap down. And when it does, this button will pop out. And then you'll be good to go. So, let me move the camera so we can be close up. And then I'll show you how to put this on. It's real easy. Okay, now I'm kind of situated. I have the shifter knob right here. Basically, what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this boot, and you can tell there's like a plastic ring or something underneath, right underneath the shifter knob, and I'm just going to pull straight down. See it? See, it just pops right off. Okay, then remember that little wire I showed you under the shifter knob? Right here. Okay, every one of these shifters has that. So let's find that underneath here. Okay, it's going to be towards the back on this side. Okay, I've got it with my thumb right here. It is on the driver's side of the shifter knob, and then it should pop right up. There it is. Came right off. I just hit it with my finger, pushed it over, and it just released it. So this is what I was talking about. This is the Alcantara cover that I got, and it was a little tough snapping it on, and wasn't an exact fit, but I do like the feel of it, and you never know. I'm gonna save this, but I wanted to show you this. You can see that it's got a nice suede look to it. All right, so let's try this one. Now here we go. So what you do is you put it on there gently, because there's a lot of plastic parts, and I'm just gonna push it down and it snaps in. And then the button pops out on the driver's side. Now with your boot, I'm gonna pull the boot up right underneath it, line it. I'm gonna line it up, and then I'm gonna snap it on. And there we go. That's it. And it looks pretty good. I like it. You know, here's the black one. I wish it was black, but that's okay. Looks pretty good. I like this. It's a nice feel. And, you know, it's a nice subtle look, but it is a nice grip here. And looks like it came with the vehicle. It's a very nice stitched leather. Here you go. I mean, it looks pretty good. I mean, and it feels great, you know. But it's real easy. Like I said, this you just pull down on this, it unsnaps, and then you push that little wire and it pops right off. So it's pretty easy. You know, it might take you a little second to kind of figure out where that wire is, but that's it. So I'm pretty happy with that mod. Like I said, there's a link under the video in the description to the eBay. It's an eBay link that I found. It is hard to search for, but I know a lot of different ones came up, TRD Pro and all this other stuff. But this one and other years. But this one, I will put a link under the video in the description so you can find it real easy. It's really nice leather, and you know, it looks good. You know, like I said, I put one on our red Tacoma and I really liked it. And I decided, you know, after several months, I wanted to try it on mine. Check out the link, and you know, I've got other links, and I've got some discount codes to other companies that sell Tacoma and 4Runner and Land Cruiser parts and Tundra parts. So check those out, and check out my other videos. You might, you know, they might interest you. Anyways, if you would, like, share, and subscribe. I've got other videos coming. I've got they're just lining up. So subscribe so you see those, and I will see you next time. See ya.